All right, I'm using is Office 365. 365 has automatically been added to your Launchpad, so you just need to go in and use it. So let me show you some of the awesome tools that come in Office 365. When you open Office 365, this is what it looks like. Now you might not have anything down here because these are just recent documents that I've used. So up here first we have Outlook. Outlook is there. That is your email. You automatically have an email generated with your student number, so it's there for you to use. OneDrive is a cloud where you can save things. So if you are using a tablet or your phone or something that you don't want to use up memory, or even my crappy computer at home that I don't want to use memory, I would save stuff to OneDrive because, well, it doesn't work if I keep eating up memory. Now, you also have Microsoft Office on here, which is Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So again, if you are using a tablet, your phone, or a computer that does not have Office on it, you have online versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So when your teacher is asking you to type an essay or create a PowerPoint, you have access here. Now, in my class, we use OneNote. I don't think you guys have these other four. I think these are just teacher applications, okay? But OneNote is a notebook. Now, you will notice I have a ton of little notebooks that I've made so that I can save documents. Again, it's saving to the cloud, not to my hard drive. Awesome. So, you probably won't have anything in recent if you've never used OneNote before because you've never used OneNote. So we're going to go over, it's either going to be the first time you come in, it's either going to be in my notebooks or it's going to be under shared with me because I will push out the notebook so all of you have access to this. So in my notebooks, I'm going to click on Algebra Honors 2020. It's working. It's getting there. It's thinking about it. Okay, you can do it. All right, so notice this is like a notebook. It is a digital notebook. Here are all of your tabs. I'm going to actually, and I can rearrange things. So I'm going to go ahead and move this one down. But I do want to use that because it's a frequently asked questions in OneNote. So if you guys are looking for something that you can't find, there's here. And I'm also, I think there's one for a student. So I'm going to go ahead and find that too so I can add it. So in my welcome section, I have the syllabus. I have remind codes. I have student tools. Now student tools, all I have in there so far is Quizlet link. So that'll definitely be added too. This is also where you'll be able to find your agenda and note cards. Now the note cards are something that we will make as we go through our units just so that we have something that we can refer to quickly review because we're going to cover a ton of material in a short amount of time. So we want to keep as much of it as fresh as we can. Now, the collaboration space. There's nothing in it right now. So the collaboration space is a place where you guys can go and like post questions and you can help each other out. So even if you're super creative and you know how to screencast or something like that, you could even make a tutorial video and post it for that person to watch. Like there's a lot of good stuff that can be done in the collaboration space. Okay, so that is all, that will be in your notebooks and you can edit that. Now the content library. The content library is where each of our units' information will go. Now, this is the whole expressions unit. It looks like a lot of stuff. It's okay, we will be all right. So notice I have a game. I'm probably going to have to change our first day game since not everybody's in class this year. I don't know, I'll be creative. But look, each different topic. So each different topic here are the notes outline. So this is the note outline. We will go through and we will fill out the notes together. A lot of times I will give you guys little printouts so that you can glue them in your notes so it doesn't take as long to make the outline. Now if you're doing e-learning at home, you are more than welcome to print out the outline or you can even write in. I'm going to get to that in a minute. So this is also where you will find your homeworks. When you are completing anything, homework or classwork for me, you have to show work. I know, I'm sorry. But I don't give a lot of problems, so I want you to show work. So when we're going over things, usually it's a simple mistake that you can figure out really quick. So I don't want you to waste time completely redoing something. There's also the answer keys are here if you're home at struggling. If you're really struggling, don't just copy the answer keys. You can also go on Algebra Nation and ask them for help, post stuff in the collaboration space, all that kind of stuff. So each time we have a new unit, you will get a new tab in this section. Obviously, you're not going to have the teacher only. That's just mine. Now, under here, see, I use Miss Dykes as my example. So Miss Dykes, this is her personal notebook. So here you will see your name. So within here, now these are each of our 10 units. Not all of them are full yet. So I just shared out a couple things with Miss Dykes. So it always starts off with this empty untitled page. Look, if you right click, don't fail me now. All right, you can go and you can delete that blank page. Yeah, sure. So I have put a blank notes page in here. So if you are e-learning or if you're coming to school and you're bringing your tablet with you, you can simply write your notes in here. Like the outline's already done for you. All you need to do is fill it in. So that's an awesome option. All right, your homework is also here. So again, if you are e-learning, you have the option of printing it out, or you can simply write in here, because if you write your homework in here, it automatically talks to my account, and I know that you did that. It's so amazing. So these are amazing tools. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I'm missing. I don't know. There's a ton of stuff in OneNote, but it is a digital notebook, and it is something that you guys can use to keep yourself organized. And especially if you're e-learning, you can do all of your work in here. Again, if you have a tablet or something else where you can write on the screen, boom. If not, then go ahead and print it out. Whatever is easiest for you. If you are printing, I do ask that you send me pictures of your work through Remind, because that's just an easy way for me to keep organized. All right, guys. Well, hopefully that was a good overview, and just let me know if you need anything else. Thanks. Have a great day.